Hi everyone, today I am here with an autumn special craft. We are going to make pumpkins with these sweatshirts. To make this pumpkin, you need a sweatshirt, a long needle and a wooden stick for the stem. If you are using big sweater, you can use the sleeves to make the pumpkin. You can cut the sleeves to your desired length and use it. But this is a kid sweater which I got from a 10 dirham shop here. I am using the body portion to make the pumpkin. I am cutting it out from here. Take it upside down. Now I am going to stitch here. I have taken a thick thread and a long needle. The stitches doesn't have to be accurate. Just a loose stitching will do. Once I reach this end, I stitch it once more to the other side. Then pull it super tight and tie it off with the other end of the thread. Next I'm going to flip it inside out. It looks like a sack now. The next step is to stuff it with the fiber fill. You need to fill it really thick. As I am filling, I am pushing it towards the edges to make the pumpkin nice and round. Actually, this fabric is stretchable, so you can keep on adding the form and make this pumpkin really wide. But I am stopping this here because I am planning to arrange these three pumpkins together on the table. So I don't want this one too big. Once I had my stuffing added in, I am going to repeat what I did at the bottom on the top. Stitch it all around the top. Once you reach the starting point, hold both the ends and pull it tight. Secure the threads with a tight knot. Now I have to make those pumpkin pleats all around. Insert the needle through the center of the bottom part and carefully pull it out through the top. This is why I told you in the beginning that you need a long needle to make this. Leave a long tail at the bottom. At the end, we have to pull this tail in also. I have to make 6 pleats on the pumpkin. Take the thread back to the bottom and insert it through the center. Pull it out through the top and tuck the thread tight. This is my first pleat. I am repeating the same step 5 more times. Now I am going to wrap the pumpkin again, leaving some space. Just eyeball it and leave almost equal distance between the wraps. Go back underneath and push back the needle up. Now I have my both ends at the bottom. Here, as you can see, the fabric is loose. So I'm going to make it a little more tight. Just make a loose stitch all around the 6 pleats, once or twice, and pull it tight. So it gives a more perfect finish. Now tie both the ends together. At the top, tuck in all the loose ends inside. Anyways, it's not going to be seen. As you can see, this fabric is a little more firm. Here, this sweater fabric is stretchable. Actually, double of this fiber fill will go inside this, but I didn't want it to be too big. Now I'm going to hot glue the stem and an artificial leaf to the pumpkin. You can add felt flowers and laces according to your discretion and make your pumpkin more beautiful. That's all for today. Happy fall and Thanksgiving to all of you. From next week onwards, we are starting our Christmas decors, so stay tuned.